Hey guys, so it's Random Bitch Girl. This video is gonna be really short, probably one of the shortest ones I made, but maybe it's because I'm probably gonna make some other shorter videos. But if you've been following my channel for a long time, you know that I have been missing a panda squishy. So if you see my squishy collection, you know that I have been missing it. So I found it, yay! And for all your curiosity's sakes, this is what it looks like. I'd say it's medium rising. And also, if you're wondering, this is a carrot because I got face painted with a bunny on my face for Easter. And also, happy Easter, everyone. Tomorrow I might make an Easter special, so just stay tuned for that. But yeah, I am glad I found this little guy, and that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe and hit the post notifications to get more videos. Bye!